My name is Pastor Tony Lukwago. I lead in Akabale Community Church, a church for Beyond Uganda ministries in this community. We are here to share with you how far we are with the construction of the Bible College. This is the level we are at. We are doing the shuttering. After shuttering, we'll install the max spans. After the max spans, we'll do the concrete, and the construction will continue. Thank you everybody for your contribution. May God bless you as we transform pastors and equip pastors in this community. May God bless you.
My name is Richard Insenga, the Beyond Uganda Programs Director. We are here at Heartland Bible College construction site. We have started with the administration block. As you can see, the block is going to house the office of the administrator, to house the counseling room, to house the reception of the college, to house the computer laboratory. This is going to help us transform how pastors are being trained in Uganda and the whole doctrine of pastors, because there are so many false teachers that the world has generated. But at Heartland Bible College, transformation is going to be here and God is going to be taught to the right truth of the word. We bless you in Jesus' name. Thank you very much for partnering with us.